Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Huawei customer care. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser and go to huawei.com. Now from here, you want to scroll all the way down to the website's footer, and then you will have a contact link here. So go ahead and click on the contact. And then under consumer and device support, click on chat online or send an email. Just open up another web page here. And now we've got an online chat, so you can start the chat now, and that open between these hours, 9 to 6 o'clock AEST time English. So let's go ahead and click on chat now. And now you need to put in your phone, email, login ID and password to start the chat. Now once you started the chat, ask the chatbot that you'd like to speak to a customer care service rep or contact support, and then they'll redirect you to the right person to speak to.